Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I am planning in my catch-all planner, which is Beauty in Florals, and it is a classic size happy planner. I am using the Squad Girls Mambi sticks. Those are huge stickers, but I am using them in a way that they're going to be able to fit in my planner, so I'm cutting pieces of it out. So this one looks like it's fall and it has all of these things falling, and I think the other side is too big, so I'm not going to use it. So I'm going to leave her just like this. I think that's pretty good. And I'm going to be using the fall florals from Velvet Plant Collection. These orange beautiful blooms are just gorgeous and I really wanted to use them. And I was thinking of incorporating those yellow and pink pumpkins, so I'm just gonna peel up the sticker just a bit and then place those down and then cover with flowers. I think that might look kind of different and I actually like it. Okay, and then I'm gonna add flowers to the edges of the girl sticker, and I think that will work really well as well. Here we go. Yep, I think that looks great. Okay, and I'm gonna be adding some boxes. First off, if you are joining me for the first time, welcome. I am so happy you found me, and if you are coming back to my channel, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me again. And if you're not subscribed already, please do so. I would really appreciate it. It just gives me so much joy to know that you guys are enjoying my content. So please leave comments and of course thumbs up. So I am adding all of these boxes, lighter and darker orange boxes, and those are usually for main events, or I will write to-do lists in them. It just depends. So right now I just took a blade and I cut all of these circles into half moons. The circles are, as bullet points, are way too big for me. However, these half moons are quite perfect. So that's what I'm using. I'm going to be using lighter and darker ones all over the page. I am kind of loving how this page is turning out with all of the little additions. So I'm going to be interchanging them. So now we're gonna go light and then dark again. Beautiful. Okay. There we go. And I am using my Cricut tweezers and they seem to be working just pretty well. I still yet to find my regular tweezers for planning in one of the boxes. So for right now, these are doing the job. And of course, I love the mint color. So I'm just gonna add a few more little edges like this, and I think that looks pretty great. Let me know what you guys think. But I'm just gonna add a few florals here and there, and I think I will be done. So I'm gonna add one in between the link of those two boxes because I think that looks really good. And then right there. And also right there. Beautiful. I love how this is looking so far. and there, and then I'm gonna add some onto the inside of my box as well. I think that's gonna make such a nice difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple into the bigger boxes and see how that turns out. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this large piece right over November, and still very visible because it's clear sticker paper. And I think I am pretty much good. I'm gonna add this to the corners of this big one because that little one had the lettering in there and it's showing through, so this will kind of deflect it. Okay, I think I am done with this spread. I love how it came out. You guys let me know what you think. I think this is completely fall and it's just very bright and happy. Anyhow, thank you so much for joining me today and have a great rest of your day. Bye!